What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make awesome thumbnails and things on Photoshop. Alright, so first of all, what you guys want to do is that for Photoshop and for YouTube in general, the dimensions are in pixels. So make sure you have your Photoshop set to pixels. It's going to be 1280 by 720. This is the file size for YouTube thumbnails. Now what you guys want to do is you want to go to file and file and open, and you want to get some images. So right now we're going to use Patrick Star. So I actually really like this. So you want to just use this tool. It's going to be the quick selection tool. Let me deselect and just select all you want from the image. So we want the whole thing. Make sure there's no white lines on where you want the image to be taken from. You can just copy it, put it here, and boom, we have Patrick right here on our thumbnail. Then if you want to put them over here, we can keep them there for later. Now what you guys want to do is you can go and get another image, or you can click a new slide, but we can go get another image. Let's go to my pictures. I have a lot of stuff in here. We're gonna go and get this background I use for one of my thumbnails. You can go and set the selection setting to really high at 5000, so you can select the entire scene. Click Control C, Control V, and now this is over what your last thing was. You can drag it down, and now Patrick's on top, and the image you had in the back is overlaid in the background. Now for text, let's say we can do finding Patrick and in Minecraft. So you want to get your text and pick pink writing, finding Patrick in Minecraft. Boom. And if I could spell, that'd be great. In Minecraft. Now once you've done that, what I usually do is I I do right click, and then you get this little menu where you can do this thing called stroke. I add a stroke to it, and it's gonna be a slight size, can be larger, bigger. And usually when I do the stroke, I change it to to gradient, and then the gradient color could be a pink, could be a rainbow. Let's put on a rainbow. Alright, and you press Control T, and now you can edit it, move it around, change the size, all this type of stuff. Now let's spruce it up a bit. So you can go to your beginning layer. Let's use this layer, and you can do the same thing I did again. And you're wondering, wait, why you do a stroke on here? If I do another stroke and I add that background thing, and I change it to inside, now we have the thing is on its own thing in the background. So you can move this around, fit it to the screen, and boom, now you have this thing that says finding Patrick in Minecraft on a thumbnail. Make sure you click the text and move it to where you want, and you can add emojis and stuff like how I usually do. So I go and go to my photos, pictures, on all types of stuff. You can add like fire, quick select this as well. Make sure you guys get clip art images that are easy to select out of. You don't want a white box around it. Add fire over here, put it behind Patrick, boom. There we go. And now Patrick has fire behind him. And it's there you go. So, simple things like this is what you guys can use to make awesome thumbnails on YouTube. But, guys, like I said, my thumbnails are a lot more complicated, but this is a simple tutorial how to make thumbnails on YouTube. So make sure you guys do check this out and share it to other people, because it's a really cool thing to learn, just how to make quick little edits, quick little thumbnails, especially if you're a beginning YouTuber on this platform. So you guys, make sure you check out my Twitch. I will be doing live streams as much as possible. I don't have a set schedule yet, but if you guys join my Discord, you guys will see when I officially made the schedule for how long and how many times I'm going to stream on Twitch. But anyway, guys, like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time on the channel. Peace.